Hello guys, myself Rohan Raj Kumar and today is my topic on HTML and HTML5. First we can be talking about what and who invented HTML5. HTML5 is standard for a hypertext markup language and it is used for web page creation. Second, Tim Berners-Lee first introduced it's in 1991. Its first version consists of 18 HTML text. Now there is the currently 140 HTML text. It's allowed to creation in the structure of section, paragraph, and link using HTML elements such as text and attributes. It's like blueprints for a website. This is the world first website like hypermedia, executive summary, mailing list, policies, W3 news, ask frequently asked questions, what out there's software product, technical, people's history, how can I help, getting code. Third, evolution of HTML. First is 1991 HTML first published 1995 HTML 2.0. Then frequently is growth wells like XHTML 2.0. HTML5 is more tolerant, can be handle markup for all period version. HTML text and elements. Key are surrounded by angular brackets. HTML is not cache sensitive. Space are not allowed within a tag. Looking like example, head is correct, and second is the space between the head. This is the incorrect example. Tags head and closing heads. Paragraph. There are two type of tag. First, container tags, which tag that have an opening and closing pairs, title and title close, and embedded text tags that do not require a closing tag, example breaking line, horizontal line, and we can be passing the comments by this common HTML elements: heading, paragraph, link, image like src. There is a basic structure of HTML. Start and finish with the HTML text. Heading text is the next tag. Head including the title text. Next comes the body text. This is where most visual webs content appear. Some major text. Doc type is the HTML version. HTML enclosing the complete HTML documents and mainly compress HTML and closing HTML. Head represent the document head with can keep other HTML text like title, link, etc, etc. Title used inside head text to mention the document title. Body represent the document's body which keeps other HTML text like h1 div, paragraph. Br, this is the break line, and p paragraph and horizontal line. Some major text. H1 and S6 is the header text, use the different heading on documents. B boldface, I italic format, U underlining, SU in the subscript like A square, B square. Sub means subscript like A2, B2. Image to insert how to image, table to how to create table. There is the first example to how can I can insert a image like image src in body, and here to take a height and width can be auto adjusted. This is the horizontal line HR text which I can be taking a HR which can be dividing the paragraph. This is the heading tag which is the document heading a different way. Using of paragraph and break line. Paragraph, there is I am create a paragraph, then we can be putting br in its, there is I can show the output. There is a different line. Here is the underline listing, there is ul and listing. There is the and order listing. There is using ol, and we can be inserting list. So here 1 2 3. There is a table linking. There is the first row company, contact, country, and second row here create, and third row looking like this. HTML5. HTML5 is newest version of HTML which has recently gained partially support by web browser maker. It's incorporates all features from earlier version of HTML. HTML5 introduced a diverse set of new tools for web development to use. It's improved the markup available for documents and has introduced application programming interface API. It is still a way of working progress and no browser having full supports for all HTML5 features yet. New features of HTML5: audio and video support, vector graphic animation, enhancement, form control and attributes, canvas, drag and drop functionality, supports CSS3. More advanced features: web developers such as data storage and offline application provide a local storage API, enable website to access user geographically location, use SQL database to store data offline. Here's the new element of HTML5: article, aside, dialog, finger caption, figure, footer, header, main, mark, meter, nav, progress, section, summer, time, WBR. Here we can be tagging video tags, how to insert a video in the HTML. Here we can be insert audio. This is the given is the source src. Here is the difference between HTML and HTML5. Its work with all older version. It's the new version like Firefox, Mozilla, Chrome, Safari. It is doc type declaration is too long and complicated. Doc type declaration is cute, simple and easy. It cookies to store temporary data. It use SQL database and application caches to store offline. Does not allow JavaScript to run in the browser. Allow JavaScript to run in the background. This is the possible due to JavaScript Web Worker API in HTML5. Being an older version, it is not fast, flexible and efficient compared to HTML5. It is efficient, flexible and more fast comparison to HTML. Here we can be implement overtaking a project where we can include the whole the text like an order list, like here we can be insert a here we can insert a mp3 files, audio. Here we can be insert a video file. Here we can be create a table, and this is an order listed and this is order listed. this is this is my website to look like table, ye an order list, register page, video insert, audio insert. This is my website to create code, and this is my website to looking like audio and video. Like here we can be booking table and looking like this. This is the another page of this is sign up. They can be looking login and register. Here gallery we can be inserted the image and slide. And thank you guys for your kindly support and listening me. Thank you.